This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a dishwasher that is draining from the air gap, which shouldn't happen. We can see water just shooting out of this air gap into the sink. And that's an indication that the tube between the air gap and the garbage disposer is clogged. So I removed the top. I took a little snake tool. I pushed it down into the air gap, not the center part, but the outer part, and that goes down into the little tube that goes to the disposer. And there was a bunch of junk caught in there, so I rammed it through there a few times to get all that crud out. It's just food debris that builds up over the years. And when you get that indication, though, where water is shooting out of the air gap, it's always that tube, the big black tube that goes to the disposer. So I'm testing it now, and now water drains properly. So I was able to get rid of the obstruction. Now looking underneath the sink at that tube, I noticed that it's kind of crimped as it bends. It's not as round as it should be. It kind of gets flat. And that's where the occlusion was. That's where the food was getting trapped. So I'm going to put a hose clamp around that part, and I'm going to tighten the hose clamp slightly, and that then makes that tube round again. So that actually cured the problem. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thank you.